I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying access and preparing a tidy dataset. Sign in, enable AI Studio and any needed APIs. Make sure billing or trial is active so jobs run. Once done, clean your file locally. Consistent headers, no mixed types, and a small test sample of 505,000 rows. Then upload to AI Studio, pick an obvious name, and inspect the preview to confirm column types. This avoids surprises later and lets you run your first analysis quickly and reliably. Now you configure the workspace. Choose either a pre-built analysis model or a notebook template. You're aiming to pick compute that fits your data size, small for quick exploration, larger for full training. Map columns to features and set the target variable, then define a simple train/validation split so results are reliable. Use a SQL cell or Python snippet to remove outliers, normalize, and aggregate. Make a few visualizations to confirm assumptions. This informs next steps and prevents wasted compute on back. Execute the job and watch logs for warnings or failures. Make sure resource usage stays within your quota. Once complete, evaluate relevant metrics, accuracy, RMSE, or awk, and inspect feature importance or error distributions to understand why the model behaves as it does. Export predictions or the model artifact if needed. If something fails, stop, reproduce the issue on a tiny dataset, and check column types, missing values, and API or quota errors. This focused troubleshooting lets you iterate fast and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.